welcome to my YouTube channel. If today's the first day here, I am more than happy to have you on board. My name is Oluko Antideke. So last week we were able to learn our first part of Yoruba alphabet, which was A to B, which in English language is A to GB. Now, last week, if you remember, I mentioned that there's some alphabets in English alphabets that we haven't got in Yoruba alphabet. And there's some alphabets that we've got in English alphabet and we've also got in Yoruba alphabet. And the thing is, they show up twice in Yoruba alphabet, okay? But before we go into our lesson of today, I would love to greet everyone in Yoruba language. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, a kú dédé àsìkò níbi gbogbo bí tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Olùkọ́ Antideke. Kí a tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ wa ti tòní, mo fẹ́ sáré ṣe àtúnṣe ráńpẹ́ kan nínú ẹ̀kọ́ ti ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá. Tẹ́ bá rántí wípé mo sọ wípé a ní álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì 15 nínú èdè Yorùbá. Rárá o. Álífábẹ́ẹ̀tì 25 nídè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì tí ń jẹ́ 25. 15 tí mo sọ yẹn 15 ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Mo kàn ní pé kí n sáré ṣe àtúnṣe ráńpẹ́ yẹn kí ó tó di pé a wọnú ẹ̀kọ́ ti tòní. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ fi ọkàn sí àtúnṣe yìí. Ẹ ṣé, mo dúpẹ́ gidi gan ni. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ wípé àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi wọ́n ń dúró dè mí ní kí wá kọ́ wọn ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀. Àmọ́ tí n bá ti kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi tán, mo tún padà bọ̀ wá bẹ̀yìn màmá wa àti bàbá wa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọn ipa takuntakun tí ẹ ní láti kó pẹ̀lú Olùkọ́ Antideke láti gbé àṣà wa àti ìṣe wa ní àrùgẹ. Nínú ẹ̀kọ́ ti tòní, a máa dára wa lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ nípa ìpele tó kàn, tí ó sì jẹ́ pé a máa kọ́ látorí hí dórí ọ. Ṣóyè yín, ẹ má bá wa ká lọ o bá a ti máa kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi ní èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. All right, guys. So, as I was saying earlier on, we're going to be learning the next segment of Yoruba alphabet today. So, we're going to be learning from H to O. Now, just like we did last week, we had 2 E's. So this week we're going to have 2 O's as well. Now, and I'm going to be telling you I'm going to be teaching you how to pronounce them. Okay? So please repeat after me. H is pronounced he. I is pronounced E. J is pronounced G. K is pronounced ki. L is pronounced li. M is pronounced me. N is pronounced ni. O is pronounced o. And the second O is pronounced o. Okay? Did you get that? Okay, let's take it again. He, E, G, ki, li, me, ni, o. Did you get that? All right, guys, just like we did last week, we're going to be mentioning what this alphabet stands for. So, please repeat after me. He, hale. Hale means to threaten someone, yell at someone. Yeah. Igi. Igi is a tree. G, jagun. So, jagun means a warrior. Ki, kiniun. Kiniun is a lion. Yes. Li, laba. Laba is butterfly. Mi, malu. Malu is a cow. Ni, no more is a tough meat. Ori is your head. Okay. Obo is a monkey. So we're going to recite that all over again. Okay. He, hale. I, igi. G, jagun. Ki, kiniun. Li, laba. Mi, màálù. Ní normal. O orí. O ọ̀bọ. Beautiful. If you got that right, give yourself a round of applause. Well done. Yes. So now we're going to recite everything we learned last week plus this week together, okay? And see how many of that did you get right, okay? So 1, 2, 3, go. A ajá, B bàtà, D dókítà, E eku, E ẹyẹ, F fìlà, G gángan, B gbẹ̀gìrì, H halẹ̀, I igi, J jagunjagun, K kìnìún, L labalábá, M màálù, N normal, O orí, O ọ̀bọ. Wow, well done. Thank you for that. Now, before we go, remember our usual thing is to say "oh double" together, all right? But I'm going to quickly speak to our mommies and our daddies, okay? And after which, I'm going to come back to let you know when to say our "oh double." I'm sure you know the meaning of "oh double" now. It means goodbye, yeah? Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. You're very right. You got that right. Okay, then. Ẹ ṣé ẹ̀yin màmá wa àtẹ̀yin bàbá wa fún àkókò tí ẹ ti fún wa ní òní. Ẹ wò ó púpọ̀ nínú iṣẹ́ yìí ó kù sọ́wọ́ wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbé àṣà àti ìṣe Yorùbá, ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ gbé lárugẹ. Táwọn ọmọ bá wà nílé, tẹ́ ẹ bá rí labalábá, ẹ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé lí labalábá nìyẹn tí olùkọ́ àti Dékẹ́ ń sọ. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. All right, guys, it is time to say our "oh double" on the count of 3. So 1, 2, 3, go. Oh double. Thank you.